Slide culture technique for fungi. Slide culture method is a rapid method of preparing fungal colonies for examination and identification. This method permits the fungi to be studied virtually in situ with as little disturbance as possible. Fungi are identified mostly by close examination of its morphology and the characteristics it possesses. In slide cultures, we are growing the fungi directly on the slide on a thin film of agar. Materials required: 7 to 10 day old fungal culture, sterile Sabrode's agar plate, U-shaped glass rod placed in the Petri plate in which a sterile filter paper of 9 cm diameter is placed, microscope slides and cover slips, scalpel and inoculating loop, 95% ethanol, lactophenol cotton blue stain, sterile distilled water. Procedure for slide culture preparation: arrange all the materials in the laminar chamber. Aseptically, place a sheet of sterile filter paper in a Petri dish. Place a sterile U-shaped glass rod on the filter paper. Pour sterile water on filter paper to completely moisten it. Gently flame a scalpel to sterilize and cut a 5 mm square block of the medium from the plate containing sterile Sabrode's agar. Pick up the block of agar by inserting the scalpel and carefully transfer this block aseptically to the center of the slide. Aseptically place a sterile cover slip on the upper surface of the agar cube. Flame the inoculating loop until red hot. Take the plate containing fungal culture to be examined. Remove a small amount of fungal culture from the plate and inoculate 4 sides of the agar square with spores or mycelial fragments of the fungus to be examined. Cover the Petri dish and incubate at room temperature for 48 hours. After 48 hours, examine the slide. Mycelial growth and spore production is observed through the 4 corners of the agar cube spreading over to the cover slip. Procedure for application of stain: place a drop of lactophenol cotton blue stain on a clean microscope slide. Remove the cover glass from the slide culture and discard the block of agar. Place the cover glass with mold grown side down on the drop of lactophenol cotton blue stain on the slide. Examine the slide under low power and then high power objective of the microscope. Morphological features of the fungi was observed.